Each fall, millions of waterfowl begin their migration south from Canada and the northern states. With just 2 days left of duck season, we traveled to southwest Oklahoma to hunt with some of our good friends.
Well, everyone seems a damn genius lately. TikTok talking, late night TV. There's still so much I have yet to know. Get dressed up just to go downtown in some ego-filled late night crowd. It seems to be where I feel most alone. I like to get lost on some old back road, find a shade tree and a honey hole.
Alright, fellas, we'll do this, guys. Don't call the shot. Don't shoot before I call the shot. In these layout blinds, walk down in them as hard as you can. Get that mesh over your face. These birds are going to come straight out in front of us. So, I'll holler loud enough for everybody to hear me. Shoot those two. Good. Here. Come here. Good. Ooh, pretty bird. Take a look. Kill it.
See all them wads flying up there. That's funny.
Poor dude made some bad life decisions. Who's calling the shot?
Call this place the Mecca for a reason.
Shoot duck! There we go. Shoot him. Oh, if the shot didn't kill him, the fall did.
Did you hit that one?
Yeah. That's pretty loud.
I see God in everything, trees and pain and nights in the spring. So why do I still long for a home? Like to lay in a field on a cozy blanket and feel the fear of never waking to know the true warmth of the sun. I like to love my lady long and hard and lay down lines of layman guitar. Never leave her loving arms.